You think everybody should grab a piece of paper, start scripting away, and they will address it to like the universe or whatever they believe the higher power to be.
Yeah.
And to when they're scripting, they are writing as if it's happened already. What are they saying? How are they?
Yes,
what's the wording?
definitely. You're writing in the present tense from a point in your life when these things have happened. And
Like, I am enjoying this.
yeah,
I am experiencing this.
yeah, this has happened, this has happened, this has happened, and how I'm feeling now
And,
about it.
and how you're scripting it is a gratitude letter. So it's
Yeah.
saying thank you, thank you, thank you.
Essentially.
for everything.
And you know, I also think that sometimes when people script, or the way I used to script, was it would be very just kind of robotic, like, you know, I now have £1 million.